Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 social media marketing tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Twitter header background and profile image, as you can see in these examples here. It's one of the most inventive ways to utilize the space in your Twitter header for branding, and it's pretty easy to do. So let's get straight to it. The first thing you need to do is download my Twitter header background template, and you can grab the link in the description below. And when you open it up in Photoshop or GIMP, it'll look like this. The grey box represents the background of your Twitter header and its size, and the orange boxes represent the elements that overlay the background. So we've got profile photo, first and last name, username, bio, and web URL. And because in this case we're only concerned with the way that the profile photo will look when it overlays the background, we can get rid of everything except for the profile photo orange box. So just hide all of the layers except this one. And once you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. And the next step is to insert the image that you want to use as your Twitter background. In my case, it's this ferocious bear, and one good idea is to decrease the opacity of the profile box so you can see where the profile image will line up. I'm pretty happy with this positioning. So the next step is to use the magic wand select tool to select the profile box in the profile box layer, then switch to the layer that is your background image with the selection still held, then copy and make a new image and paste this copied selection in. And what you'll have is a 195 by 195 pixel square, which will be your seamless headers profile image. So save this image as a PNG, then return to the main template and hide the profile box. Save this image too, so now you've got two images, this one and this one, and you're ready to upload. So head to your Twitter profile like this and hover over the header and click edit. Then upload the profile photo and header that you've just created. Once you've saved the changes, return to your Twitter profile and view the final result. If the alignment between your background and profile photo is a few pixels out, just return to the template and change the position of your background image by 1 or 2 pixels in either direction, and then upload and try again. It might take a couple of times, but you'll get there in the end. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.